This is another quick teardown. Here we have a DVD player, ROTEL model 313. Well, I already took it apart and I removed the CD drive, but then I thought maybe I need to shoot the video. Let's see what else we can do. Okay, let's see what we got here. Power supply, which is always handy. We have audio amplifier with multi outputs. Let's see here. 5.1 amplifier, which is good. The logic board for the DVD player, we don't need it. The RF input and stuff, we don't need it. Display, we don't need it. The control panel, which already broke, but we can fix it. This is encoder for the volume, and here we have preamplifier probably for the microphone. Yeah. I'll take what I need and throw the rest in the garbage. Thank you.